Hey guys, so I had a few subscribers ask me for a video on doing some plowing with my King Quad. So here it is, right there. It's April 18th right now. We got like a storm that was supposed to all come down as freezing rain, but it all came down as sleet. And it turned into this stuff that is just like rock. Like I didn't even try and squeeze that, and it's just a ball. It's just like slush. And I mean I got a big four-wheel drive truck here. It's left it, and I got big tires on it, and I mean the tires aren't the best because I just switched to my Summers, of course. You'd think that you'd be able to by April 18th. And I was having trouble getting in and out of our driveway. You just want to drive on top of the stuff and then drop down because it's so hard. So anyways, I'll just make some videos here of plowing, and thanks for whoever suggested it. Thanks for the idea on the video of doing some plowing with this old girl. If you watch my other videos, you'll see that I had altered this shifting mechanism here to make it easy plowing. Right now I'm going in super low, but if you watch my other video, you can see that I pulled this apart so you can go into low with it in full differential lock, and high if you want. So that really saves me for plowing a lot, and it works amazing. So you don't have to shift through a bunch of low gears. Anyways, we'll do some plowing now, and again, whoever suggested this, thanks again, and here's your video of some plowing. Cheers guys.